One of the main considerations when landscaping is to bring beautiful greenery into our living space so we can enjoy that oasis and break from our day-to-day lives. One of the things that we can do when we consider plants is picking ones that are hardy and can solve a few problems. And the Holmstrup cedar does just that. They're hardy to -45, so can easily handle our cold winter months. They bring beautiful foliage to our living space, and they only grow about 7 or 8 feet tall, so they'll even fit into the smallest yards. They do love full sun. A lot of times people think cedars want a shadier location, but that's just not the case. So full sun with well-drained soil is going to be really important. If you've got peat moss and compost available, work that in as well. And fertilization is going to help them looking their best all summer long. And if you take care of them now, they're going to serve you well all winter as well. Take care. We'll see you on the next episode of Classic Landscaping.